This is a quick Ichimoku analysis of AcelRx Pharmaceuticals. One of the purposes of Ichimoku is to help us use past market action to find support and resistance in the future. We are currently above the cloud, and we are above the red line and below the blue line. The short-term trend is based upon the price to the red line. Being above it means that we are bullish at this time, and that's a short-term trend. The medium-term trend is based on the blue line to the red line, and with the blue line being above the red, that means we're bullish here as well. And our long-term trend is price to cloud, and being above the cloud means that we are bullish on the long-term trend. We are sitting in a channel with the blue line above the red line, and that is a bullish channel. Taking a look at our lagging green line, we can see that with our cone of possibility, if we have a decrease in price, we could be running into market action fairly soon. If we have an increase in price, then there's a good chance that this free and clear lagging green line could continue to move up above market action and not pose an anchor to current price. Our lines of support, as provided by Ichimoku, starts with our first line of support at the red line, and it's right here at $2.05. Our second line of support would be the top of the cloud at $1.68, and our third line of support would be down at the black curved line, which is our 200-period simple moving average at 1.43. Our first line of resistance is the flat line of the blue line, and that's at $2.38. We'll pop over to the weekly to look at see if there's other resistance above us, and we can see that the blue line on the daily at $2.38 is at approximately the same point as the 200-period moving averages on the weekly and the flat cloud that's here in the past that could project forward, giving us resistance as well. The next line of resistance would be this other flat line of the cloud, and that's at $2.86, and that corresponds fairly closely to the high of this candle. Looking back at the daily, we can see that if we have a bearish move up, we would need to stay inside the channel, move above the blue line, and stay above the red line. It would be nice to see the red line continue to stay flat or start to angle up, and the blue line to move from being flat to angling up as well. This is a quick Ichimoku analysis, and I'm William Grantham.